Hi guys! Okay, well welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to stop back at my channel. Okay, today I have here is my embellishment box that I received from Shemeka, who is Meekaboo32 here on YouTube. She was my partner for my my exchange that I had, the embellishment box swap I had that I hosted. So this is my partner's. I haven't sent hers out. Hers is going out this week. I had a whole bunch of things I wanted to send to her because we've been talking a lot on Instagram. So there's a lot of special little things that I wanted to include in hers. So okay, so I am pulling it out. There you go. Okay. So this is the embellishment box. Alright, so let's see. I hope I don't have it upside down. Alright, and there's bubble wrap on it, which is nice. Okay, I did have it upside down. Here is a card. I'm going to open this. Oh, and the owl tape is so cute. I have this owl tape. I love it. Okay, so be 1 second. Look at that card, isn't that cute? And she gave me some of these little cute little stickers. Aren't they cute? And she included this awesome card about herself, her favorite colors and stuff, which that is a really neat idea. I really like that. So yeah, I really like that. Okay, I love the fact that she added a little card to tell me about herself. That was really nice. So actually, that's a really good idea to print up a bunch of them. Okay. Oh, I love this tissue paper. I reuse all my tissue. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, and there's a little bag in here. Oh my goodness, it says hello sunshine. She put my name on there. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at this. She did this here. Life is better in flip-flops, which is so true. Summer, daydreaming. Oh, this is really pretty. Sun, oh, happy day, fun. I love these little tickets. This is so pretty. This is my very first box. Oh, and I love this. There's the little stickles on here. That is so cool. So, oh wow, look when you open it up. These are so much fun. So happy that I found the inspiration on YouTube for these, because this is such a wonderful, fun idea. Oh look, she's got some twine here. I don't have any green. Oh, and then a little, I love these. I have these too, but not this one. A little pineapple. This is a little washi sample. So cute. I love that. Oh, here's another one. Little owl. And then here. Oh, that is so cute. Little pad. It says list. And I love these. I've never seen these. Oh, I'll have to find out where she got them. These are really cute. They look like little dominoes, but they have words on them. Oh, I love that. And then, oh, I'm going to go here. And then, oh, look at the rosettes. That's so pretty. And I love this one. Sweet. That's really nice. Oh, lazy summer days. This is really cute. I really love this. This is so cute. I'm going to leave these out for now. And then some clothespins, which I love clothespins. I love them. I don't know why I do. Some paper clips. And some little binding clips. They're really cute. I don't have anything like this. The paper clips here. Oh, I love the little smiley face. I hope I'm in camera. I don't know if I was in camera or not. Sorry, guys. Oh, and then some eyelash trim. This is awesome because I don't have this color. I was actually looking for white and I couldn't find it for eyelash trim. Oh, and this is so pretty. A little piece of ribbon. That is really nice. I love that. Some bows here. These are cute, these little tiny bows. Some more flowers that she made. Oh, I love these. These are so pretty. These are really, really pretty. Oh, look at this green one. Very pretty. Well, it's so totally out of camera. So, and some little flowers in here. This is fun. I love this. And some little buttons. Here's some buttons. Oh, I love buttons. I have a ton of buttons. Oh, look at this fancy one. So it looks like a disco ball. Oops, I dropped one. Looks like a little disco ball. See, I love buttons. And then I love these little containers. I have one here that I started. This has like a little stuff in. So I love these things from the Dollar Tree. Oh, look at all these little pieces. Oh, look at that flower. These are so cool. I love these. Oh, look at a rainbow. That's so cute. I love, 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 love. Oh, look at it. Looks like a little giraffe. Aww. Flowers. Oh, another rainbow. Oh, I love that. More flowers. This is really fun. I think this is so, so fun. Put that back. And then here you got some more stickers. I don't think I put stickers in anybody's. I don't think I did. Here, this button fell from there. These are so cute. These are all, it's like all summer themed. I love it. Oh, look at these stickers, little tags. Oh, I love them. Oh, this is so cute. Wow. I don't have anything summer related at all. I love this punch and I love this. This is so cute, that heart. And then she gave me some sequins here. If I could get, I can't even get it out. Some sequins in here, like cute little sequin mix. That is so cute. If you guys could see that. And another one here. It's like a little mix that she mixed up herself. I love that. And then here's some little gems. These are so cute. Oh, I love these hearts. I don't have anything like them. These hearts are so cute. Oh, they're adorable. I love them. And I love this. This is so pretty. Oh, this is nice and thick. Wow, that's really thick. Oh, I love it. Shemeka, I love this box. Thank you so much for being my swap partner. I really so appreciate it. It was so much fun to do yours. I have yours completed. It is going out this Thursday. I'm so excited about that. So this was an awesome, awesome little box. I love these things. So she did send me another package. I'm going to put this over here. I don't want to lose any of the pieces. So she did send me an extra couple of goodies here. This is so nice. I love how she put it in this bag. I love this bag with the little deers on it. That's so cute. So I'm going to open it. Try not to ruin it. Sometimes if somebody sends me a bag, I'll reuse the bag and send it back to them with stuff in it. Oh, here's the alphabets. That's really cute. Alphabet stickers. Really, really cute. Oh, look at that. I love this. Look at this tag. Is that not the coolest? Oh my God, it's a shake. I love this thing. Oh, I love it. I could shake it all day. I love those. Sunny side up. Oh, look at these. Oh my God. Oh, look. She is so cute. I don't have her. Oh, she's so adorable. Look at how, and she has little flip-flops on her dress. Oh my God, she's so cute. I love it. At first I thought she was a tag, but she's all by herself. Oh, look at these tags. I don't have anything like this. Oh, this is nice and thick. This is nice. And I love the doily. That's so pretty. I love this little girl. Oh, she's so cute. And I love this. This tag is amazing. I love that. So, oh, and look, it's a little pen and notebook set. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, Shemeka, thank you so, so much for being my partner. I do appreciate it so much. It was so much fun to do this and to talk with you and to get to know you. And like I said, I hope we can do a swap again someday soon. This was really fun. And I hope that when you get your box that you really enjoy it. So thank you so much for all the goodies. I really did appreciate them. I love everything that you did. It was so awesome to get this box. I was so excited. So thank you so much, Shemeka. Thank you everybody for watching. And like I say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I just had an amazing day. I got all these goodies from Shemeka. Thank you, and don't forget to go visit her channel, Meekaboo32. Also, she has an Instagram channel, or Instagram page. I will put all the links in the description bar below for Shemeka, so you can go check her out. She's very creative. You would love to watch everything she does, especially on Instagram. She does post a lot on Instagram, so I will leave that link down below. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.